Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and Atlanta. Credit cards and the scammers. Pandas! Welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Make sure you scalp that like button. Pandas! Let's get it. Let's get it. Good morning, everybody. I'm Bob Money, and we here live streaming every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. What a spike. This was purely from the news. If you guys don't know, I try to post weekly all the news that I think will move the markets large enough, strong enough, where you can pass any single eval in one single trade. And lo and behold, this was way more than enough to pass any evals. So hopefully you guys took advantage of that post and got some funded accounts. The nice thing about Apex is you can get funded with news, which is the easiest way to get funded if you're still trying to get funded here. Pandas, I mean, however way you want to do it is up to you. If you like to do it slowly, then that's up to you. But the easiest and quickest way to do it is with news. What I mean by that is, I usually say make or break your account, which is either you pass your eval or you fail your eval. And you just trade max contracts and wait for the news and see if you get it. Pandas. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Thanks for joining. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Quick look at the daily chart here. I mean, we're getting a significant rise right now, so I don't know. I don't know if this trap's going to fully work out. Also, weekly chart, right? Second entry long. A, B, C. Second entry long on the weekly, which is nice. Let's see what we get here on the 500 tick. Are we going to get a trading range or not? It looks like a downtrend could start to develop here. We shall see. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. What a push. All right, we're coming back up. Let's see if we bounce off this channel here. Pandas, we're up 490 right now. Can we get it? Pandas. I basically just took a couple trades off of this huge spike, and I just started buying anywhere, everywhere type situation, and ended up making about 500. About 500. We're on our trend line right now. Could go from here to here. Really, anywhere from here to here is valid trend line. Good morning, my pandas. Make sure you scalp that like button. Market's about to open. 3.5 minutes. Oh, we're bouncing off our trend line. Let's see what happens here. Pandas. Hope you guys are doing well. What's the plan today, pandas? The plan is to stick to the plan. Good morning, everyone. Benali Hawk, good morning. Pablo, thanks for becoming a panda. You became a super panda. Oh, boy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate the support. Benali Hawk, good morning. Fat Fish. I took a trap using the Pandicator, and it winned. And it winned. Of course it winned. It really depends. It always helps when you can take traps off of resistances and supports. That's what I say. Robert, good morning. Hugh, good morning, Panda. What happened to the PAs? Oh, man. Rhythmic bit me in the butt. So we'll see. All the PAs got busted because of rhythmic, but we'll see if they reset them for me. I don't know. We shall see. But if they don't, it's all good. We are starting anew. We are starting anew. It's all good though, pandas. It's all good. Pablo, missed you too. Bub Stocks, good morning. Toe Man, good morning. I think was shaky all day, to be honest. Shaky all day. But we shall see. I mean, at the end I could have definitely traded better. But ultimately rhythmic. Let's hope though. Let's hope. I mean, still on stream. We're super positive. But we'll start with 5. Get the payouts again. Double it up. Double it up again. This is my journey to 20 accounts here, Panis. 5 at a time. Well, 5, and then we double it every time. Market's what's open. It's all good. Big up, big down. It's amazing. We basically closed yesterday at the previous day's close. Or day prior's close. Market's opening in about 26. Pandas, let's get it. If you guys experienced any lag yesterday on Rhythmic, just make sure you let Apex know. Okay. Even during stream, you could see that it was like getting all messed up. Wow, market is moving right now. It is volatile. I was trying to predict the trading range based off these pivots, but I mean, it could be trading range could be here. Typically done. Market's open, huge gap. Basically open above previous day's high. Essentially established this downtrend right now. We'll see though. Am I looking to go short is the question. I mean, that's the beauty with Apex. That's the beauty with Apex. It's the beauty of prop firms in general. If you do bust your accounts, start over. Brand new 5K to trade with. Oof. Okay. Trap trade. Oof. Okay. I'm also looking at 2500 tick. We're right on the 20 EMA here. Right on the 20 EMA here. Big push up. Goodness gracious. No entries though. I mean, this was a trap, but happening beneath the 20 EMA, also underneath this trend line. Very difficult to take in my opinion. Just take a trap like this, but it's moving up. I mean, I thought this would be the trading range, but it could be, I don't know. I don't know what the trading range is really. Like this. This is really random for the trading range to be like this. Hidden second entry long here. This is a second entry long was a hidden one. First break of trend, I'll call this. Okay. I may take a long here. It's getting sus. Possibly an okay trade here. Possibly. Possibly not. That is not what you want to see. All right. Got burned. Trap triggers. Could make a new low now. Okay. Trap fails. Interesting. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that trap to fail. Interesting. Traps get CT traders trying to pick a top or bottom. Am I correct? Incorrect. Thinking this is correct. Traps get what are CT traders? I'm not sure what that is. Counter trend traders trying to pick a top. It depends actually. I know sometimes traps are good for reversing. Like a lot of times traps happen at big reversal spots. That's typically when I take traps. But traps are also good for resumption of trend. It just depends on the context. If like the day is like a trading range day, then you're gonna look for reversals with the traps. If the day is like a strong trending day, then you're gonna look for trend resumption with traps. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm not that eager. I'm not that eager. I'm just gonna sit on my pause a little bit here. Jamiel, good morning. Welcome, welcome. All right, so what's happening here? Looks more something like this. Okay, breakout, retest. This could be worth it, but you're thinking new low, right? You're thinking we're gonna break this line here. That's where the market wants to go. It feels weird that if it doesn't, in a sense. I just didn't think the first entry was strong enough, but obviously it was. All right, so we got that new low. I was thinking about going that first entry, but this risk is actually quite large if you think about it. It's actually a pretty big risk for a first entry. So the new low is made. I mean, this point, I don't know how far down we can go. Thinking we're gonna test these levels here, probably bottom of the spiking channel. So we had a spike channel, and this is the bottom of the spiking channel. And oftentimes the market likes to retest Retest that area. Yeah, we're pushing down pretty hard. I wanted something here, but I just didn't think first entry was good enough. But obviously it was, and a lot of people thought so as well. Especially after this candle, you can see the bears really came strong here. So if you're gonna consider what kind of day today is gonna be, I mean, this looks like trading range currently, right? Big up, kind of big down. We could look for a reversal here, but we'll see. We shall see. 2500 tick chart, right? Much easier to see the spiking channel, I think. Two pushes down, essentially, something like this. Pushing way hard, pushing very strong. I could look for a trap trade here. A fair second entry short is obviously the best trade, right? This is a trap I'm looking for. Right. Two legs up, two-legged pullback. Could look like this, could look like this. Doesn't matter how it looks like, but that reversal would be the trap. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9. 10 bull bars in a row. Eventually you gotta jump in here, right? Eventually you just gotta jump in. V bottom. Eventually you gotta just jump in. And the one single bear bar is just no follow through. I'm gonna try here. This seems very, very bullish. We got 10 bull bars in a row and one bear bar, and the one bear bar had no follow through. So we're just buying. Thinking any pullback will be small. Honestly, I probably can come with a wide stop and scale.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Got 10 bull bars in a row. One bear bar. Strong bull bar ending on its high. I mean, just jump in there. You gotta just jump in, you know. I want some sort of like setup. I want some two-legged pullback. I want something here. We're getting absolutely nothing. This is a rocket ship right now. But notice, I mean, if we're in a trading range, it could be quite large. Trading range. I mean, that's a V bottom. I mean, that's the definition of V bottom. Look at this. It looks like a V and a bottom. V bottom. Voila. Should we just buy every break of previous candles high? Should I just be buying everything here? You kind of want a small pullback. Okay. Whoa. That's a pullback. That is definitely a pullback. Okay. Now we're getting some bear bars with some follow through. So be careful. The market might start turning to a range, start going sideways a little bit. Breakout. Most traders feel like it's done. Or at least slowing down. Question is, if we're in trading range, then we're going to reverse it. I mean, this could be a bull leg in a trading range, which typically looks like this. Very strong. I mean, second entry long, obviously, is my setup here, right? Second entry long. It's the bread and butter here. A, B, C. Is the only first entry is allowing us to get in here. First entry here. We don't get a second entry long. Looks like we break the high here. High not broken yet. Still a chance for a second entry long. Possibly here. Okay, if we break this Okay, we got a second entry long. Waiting. Is it too good to be true? It's a double top instead. We don't quite get to our support here, which is unfortunate. This is going to be a bad second entry long. Yikes. Yeah, I can't even cancel all this. Here we go. I couldn't get in because, yeah, I mean, it's too hard to time. All right, we're in. Looking for 10 points at least. If we get 10 point scalp, I'll just take the quick 10 points. If I have to move my stop loss, then I'll move it as well. Okay, we start to break down. We'll look for a 1-to-1 then. Looking for a 1-to-1 now. Don't quite get there. Almost. Wow.
Target filled.
For a second. Just for 1 second. Easy peasy. Got my 1-to-1. That's just a second entry long, pandas. I got lucky, came back with a retracement. I thought it was going to fly off without me. Blast off, you know what I mean? Good morning, pandas. Geo, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. We're up 635, pandas. Can we get it? Okay. Another second entry long. A, B, C. Do I like this one? Not really, but sure, let's try. In it. It's not looking pretty. Let's get the 1-to-1 if we can get it. Yeah, we're gonna get crushed here, huh? Something about this started to feel like it was getting too sideways. I didn't like it. But I like the strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart, which I feel like will have follow through. The 5-minute chart, right? Strong bull bar. Strong bull bar. You're thinking follow through, but could just turn to a big trading range here. At this point, we're hoping for a lot. If we break this high, it's really good news for us. All right. Looking for at least a 1-to-1, yeah? At least. I don't know. I want more. Kind of want more. But now that's struggling. I feel like skunking this. Hold. Hold. Hold.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Pandas, it's that easy. Trading is just that easy. You just buy. When the market goes up, you buy it. When the market goes down, you sell it. It's so easy. If you can't do that, then you're an idiot. Trading is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life. You just make money every single day. That's it. We're up 920 across 5 accounts. Let's get it. Of course, I would love to make max. Of course, I would love to make max. But we're not going to force the issue here. We're going to just take what the market gives us, yeah. Maybe trading range, but seems like this is quite a strong move up now. 2500 tick chart might give us more of a better idea what's happening. Got 2 legs up now. Spike, channel. Let's see. Okay. Not sure. This is a spiking channel. I mean, just buy it, I guess. You got 10 bull bars in a row. Just keep buying. Any pullback be small. And once the pullbacks start getting larger and larger, then that's when you kind of slow down a bit. You know what I mean? I'm curious to see how it reacts to this, the high, the overnight highs. Curious. It did break through it, but not by much for right now. We could have got more from that. We could have got a 1 to 2. Jeez. What's my record, pandas? What's my record? You guys didn't see my first couple trades, but that's a skunk. That's a win. 1-0, 2-0. Skunk. 2-0. 2-1. 3-1. 4-1. 5-1. 5-1, pandas. Like, get it. We're 5-1 right now. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, if I say so myself. I mean, I don't mind if we stay in this channel. It's tight, but if you give me some opportunities, I'll take some. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart, but currently no follow through whatsoever on it. 5 minutes, a strong bull bar ending on its high, no follow through. May convert to a limit order market here. Maybe, we'll see. We need to see the next candle after this. Is this market order like, yeah, is it stop order or limit order market? Right now, this is technically, it is a limit order market for the bulls. It's a limit order and stop order market for bulls. It's a limit order market for the bears. Okay, so we're breaking down into this big, right underneath here. I don't know. Is it worth just buying off of this trend line? Is a question. I'm going to have to sit on my pause on this one. We had an overshoot, slight overshoot here. I want to see if it creates an undershoot. I mean, maybe just buying off the 20 MA, off our trend line. Is that good enough? Is that good enough for most people is a question. I'm looking for a second entry long. We almost get it. Right, we have to break the previous candle's low to trigger the 2-legged pullback. Right, when you have 1 leg down, first entry, we need a second leg down for second entry long. If I'm thinking this is going to be a trading range, then I'm actually going to look for a reversal here. Do I think it's a trading range is the question. Does this constitute enough choppiness that we can pretty much assume it's going to be a trading range? Can we? It's hard to say. Right now, that first entry is looking good. No second entry long, it's just a first entry long. Curious to see the 5-minute chart, right? This is the thing I'm most curious about to see if we have followed through. Right now, we have a pause bar. Is the market waiting for this bar to finish to enter in? I think we're just waiting here for a little bit. You can see that it's choppy. So it is actually a limit order market. Also stop order market because we're going up. But the bulls are in control right now. I would like to trigger that second entry long, then maybe I'll be interested. But currently no second entry long to be had. Getting very close to triggering that second leg down. Very close, but hasn't yet. Hasn't yet though. For close, but hasn't yet. I think limit order bulls are still in control here. Okay, we trigger the second pullback here. Kind kind of want to be patient. It got very choppy here, as you can tell. Right, lots of big wicks. Decent push down here. It's going to be a very decent push down. Ooh, okay, so we're coming back into our trading range here. Fail second entry long is probably the better setup here at this moment, if we can get one. Definitely not the second entry long. But maybe the fail second entry long. We'll try. Or not. Whoa. Alright, we'll try. Let's see what happens. Let's see if anything can come off of this. Because we're coming back into our trading range. This could be an attempt. I timed this so perfectly. Oh my gosh. Don't trigger me. Don't get it. Don't. Oh. I mean, teeny baby risk. It's a teeny baby risk on a potential big trade. I'll take it, but most likely going to fail. But the risk was so teeny. I don't mind risking that for like a potential huge trade back down to the bottom here. That is no problem for me. I risk very little for potentially monster trade there. I mean, I don't mind that. I don't mind that. Like potentially, seriously, that could have been a monster trade. Second entry short here. I'm going to set him on pause now because it got very confusing. Right? Because we failed this trap. And this is trap. I mean, I don't know. I guess I'm going long here. Give me a fail second entry short. I'll go long. Another push down into our trading range, unfortunately. Fortunately, I might miss this, right? Because I don't know if I want to try again here. Yeah, it's a second entry short that ends up working out, I guess. Unfortunately. Goodness gracious. I mean, it's hard for me to take this trade because look at this. This is your signal bar. Like with a signal bar like this, we're coming back into our trading range. Yeah. See, I wanted this to happen here. But with this signal bar, it's so hard to take this short, in my opinion. Unless you like this entry bar, right? Or the trigger bar. That's the hard part, Pandas. The timing. I mean, I wanted to go short here. Even got a very good risk reward. But ends up coming back into the trading range here. And it's just one entry too soon. But the main reason why I didn't want to take this trade is because this is your signal bar. I mean, that's what you have to fight against. You got two strong bull bars. I mean, it's just hard for me to go short there. I hope you guys understand. If not, then what can I do? It is what it is. Okay, we lost a small little trade. We're right about the direction. The premise was right, but I guess I could have tried again, but I don't think I would do that 9 out of 10 times. Unless I felt very strongly we're going to reverse here. Oof. I mean, I got to try here, right? Whoa. How much can I risk is the question. How much can I risk is the question here. It's the second entry long off the 2500 tick. Question is, how much am I willing to risk? Am I willing to take the whole risk, which is way down here? Ooh, that's nice. A higher low setup is very nice for me. Okay, that's not good. All right, no follow through. Right, we had an outside. Ooh, okay. This is getting very confusing. Let's break this high, previous candle's high, and I think we're smooth sailing. If we can't, then it is what it is. I'm risking 10 points here to gain like 30, 40. Okay, we broke the previous candle's high, which is nice. Very good sign for us. Very good sign for us. The fact that we can't break above this trend line is not a good sign. Okay, we closed above it, but how much more can we get from this? Pandas? Thoughts and prayers? I'm gonna need your thoughts and prayers here. Okay, nice little pop up here. Can we get that new high? Please. Please, one time. One time. One time. One time. Oh, pandas. What do we have here now? Ra da da, la da da la la la. Come quick, see. What do we have here now? Oh no, that's not good. That's not good. Oh gosh, what in the world's happening? Okay, that's very good. I think that's very good. Very, very good. Come on, Shoryuken, Shoryuken. Oh, so close.
Target filled.
Shoryuken. Coming to break even here. I don't want any tomfoolery here. I don't want any tomfoolery here. Can we make max today is the question. I don't want any tomfoolery here. Very good chance to make this high here. Ah, came out break even, pandas. Came out break even. It's all good. It's all good. That was a nice trade. Basically, it was a skunk on this entry, but it was a win on this entry. So I would say we lost this one, so we are 6-2 now. Is that fair, pandas? I think that's fair. 6-2. Oh, now you want to go up, huh? Now you want to go up. Jeez. I tried. I tried. Now you want to go up, huh? I see how it is. I see how it is. We could have made max today. We could have made max for sure. It's all good. Man, this is all good. Let's just stick to the plan. Let's stick to the plan. Stick to the plan, pandas. Are we riding momentum here? This is a momentum play. Just buy anything. It's so cool being able to like trade the same account as you. LMAO. What's max again for 150K? Like the max amount you can make? 1,500. I mean, that's only if you want to withdraw exactly at 5,000, right? So I mean, I pretty much consider that max because like the moment you can get to the payouts, you wanna pay yourself. So that's why I just consider 1,500 the max amount of money you should make per day, or yeah, per day. To stick within the consistency rules, you could. I mean, technically it's 5,100, right? So let's 1,530 technically, right? If you make exactly 5,100 to withdraw. If we get a strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart, I'm just buying it. I'm buying the close of a strong bull bar on a 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3 pushes up. Okay. Jeez, we could have made max, but it just had to pull back deep. We're 6-2 right now, pandas. 6-2, not too shabby. Not too shabby. When the market moves, it's just so much easier to make money, though. When the market moves like this, so much easier to make money. All right. Yeah, the 5-minute is so bullish. The 5-minute is very bullish. There's lots of bullish signs. I think I'm going to buy a strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart, but let's see. This is like trickling up on the smaller time frames, which I don't like. I don't like this trickling it's doing right now. It's basically grinding its way up. I don't like that personally. But who cares what I like? That's what the market does. That's what's the most important. What I don't like about it is going long in this because it's like, you just don't know. You just don't know when it's going to go wham! Just take you out, break your neck. Got 7 pushes up without breaking previous pivot low. Can we get 6 pushes up? Or sorry, 8 pushes up without breaking a previous pivot low. You can see how many pushes up we have by looking at all these numbers. This is the 8th push up without breaking a previous pivot low. How are we on the daily chart? We're almost at 20 EMA on the daily chart. Very interesting. Okay. Can we get a higher low without breaking the previous pivot low? If it breaks this low, the counts reset. And looks like we're not going to get there. Okay, we do. We break this pivot low. So counts reset now. This turned to 1. So with 8 pushes up here, our swing traders are rejoicing because 8 pushes up. It's pretty nice. Swing traders will have their stop basically taken out right now. All right, what's going on here? Pandas, we should scalp that like button. We're at 1,170. And honestly, you can go a little bit further because, right, this doesn't account for commissions. So you can actually make a little more than, at least for me, right? If you're already counting your commissions, then. Okay, we got a decent bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Is it always in long is the question. Is it always in long is the question. Terrible signal bar here. Right, you can't go long here anymore because we're beneath the 20 MA. Should I look for a reversal here is a question. I don't know. The 5-minute still looks pretty bullish. You can't go long here. You're beneath the 20 MA. Just cannot go long. Simply cannot. Terrible signal bar as well. I mean, you could, but I mean, I'd really be kicking myself if it traps here. I could try a trap, but it just seems bullish, right? It seems like we're in a bullish market right now. I could try a trap here, but I don't know. Maybe a higher low. A failed trap. I'll take a higher low here. I mean, those who took this long, right? Thoughts and prayers, but geez, you had to have some serious cojones to take that long. You're beneath the 20 MA, terrible signal bar, and we're grinding up now. Like it's a grind upwards, so it's like you feel like you lost momentum here. It's very like difficult for me just to go long right here. This grind up here, but I don't know. Obviously, there are traders who have done it, institutions that are doing it. So who am I to say? My only trade here would have been a failed trap, which we don't even get. We don't even get a higher low. We don't get nothing. We get nothing. Okay, gets knocked down. Do I want the higher low? Pandas. I hope you understand the confusion here, the dilemma. It's just getting so grindy. Ooh. And you just don't know when you're getting a wham. This wham bar just whacks you in the head. That's what that bar was. Wham! Jeez Louise. Wow. What is happening? Look at the 2500 tick charts outside bar go up, down. It broke above and broke below in one single bar. This wham bar gets reversed. Insane right now. It's actually insane. And basically a limit order market at this point. So I'm gonna pause a little bit. I think we can get a long trade here. Let's get a long here. If we can find one. Yeah, definitely long trade here. Definitely long trade here. Oof. Breaking out now. Do I just want to jump in this breakout is a question. I want to go long. Want to find a good long to take here. Look how small these bars are. What in the world is happening? Little teeny baby bars. Interesting. Pullback is much deeper than I would like it to be. That's a pretty deep pullback, in my opinion. Basically coming back to this level here. Okay, we're breaking beneath this level. We got a gap here as well. Much deeper pullback than I would like. 2500 tick chart shows you trading limit order market starting to form here. Right, strong bull bar ending on its high. Oh, right at the top of this channel as well. Perfect timing, huh? Incredible. Do I want to go short here is the question. I don't know if I want short though. How are y'all doing today, pandas? How's your trading day so far? So when it's a limit order market, do you take entries at the edge of the range? Yes, pretty much. Pretty much. The only problem for me why I feel like I need more practice is because I don't know how much to risk. I don't really know how much to risk. Like, because in my mind, I'm thinking the probabilities are so high, you know, if you're in a range, that extending your risk, right, having a wide stop loss is just incredibly increases your chances to win your trade or at least come out break even on trading range days. What is this? All right. Very interesting here. I don't know what's happening really. This is a strong push down. You're thinking for another push down. It's very awkward if it doesn't, but who knows? The market can be very awkward sometimes. Right, this strong push down, looking for another push down typically. Could look for a second entry long here, maybe. Remember, 2500 tick chart, we're right at the top of this channel right now. Yeah, it's all Al Brooks. Fat Fish says, I love the exploration of when to use different order types. You never hear that explored anywhere else. Basically, you want to do what the market's doing. And so with the price action, you can tell when it starts to get choppy and when like orders reverse on a dime, right? You get big moves like this, big moves down. You know that it's in a limit order market at this moment, some way or another. All right, second entry long. I don't know. I mean, personally think this is a silly trade. I feel like it needs another push down, but beggars be choosers at this point. I'm gonna let it go. I don't know. I'm indifferent to that. Bad signal bar. Second entry long is a higher low. Coming off our trend line and also off the 20 MA, which is why I like it. What I don't like is because it's starting to get so choppy here. It's starting to get lots of overlap, teeny bars, big up, big down. It does feel like we want to break this low. It feels like we want to break this low here, right? To feel complete with this push down. That's what it feels like it wants to do. If we get another push up, though, I'm taking it. Because I think the market wants to do this, but it just feels strange that it hasn't done it yet. Okay, it might attempt to now break this low like I thought it was going to do. It just didn't feel right. But if it fails here, I don't know, maybe I'll take the long. Inside bar on the 5-minute forming. Right, OI pattern. Showing confusion. But also, a smaller time frame. It's just a triangle. Which we're probably getting here somewhere. Exactly what we're getting here. Oops. Okay. We're looking for that low. Take that low out. Taking out this pivot low, which is what I felt like I was going to do. It finally does it. See, it felt awkward to go long here. Right, that second entry long does fail. And I skipped it because I felt like it needed to do this first. Now can it go up? Sure. Sure, it can go up. OI pattern on the 5-minute chart breaks to the downside. Return to a downtrend now is a question. I don't know. I still think this is pretty bullish. If we could break a previous candle's high, I may go long here. On the 5-minute chart. I may go long here. But it's not, I don't know, it's starting to look like, I don't know, what can I say? Alright. I'm going to go long here. 2,500 tick, second entry long. It's coming right at the top of this channel though, man. This is a dumb trade. This is a very dumb trade. I feel the dumbness already entering it. I don't think I'm going to risk that much here. If I get a quick scalp, I'll take it, but I don't think I'm going to risk that much. I almost want to just skunk it right now. I guess we'll try. Give me 10 points, I'll be happy. I'm skunking it. Yeah, I'm skunking it. So what? I'm skunking it. What are you going to do about it? I'm a wuss. It is what it is. Okay. Okay, possible opportunity for a big push up here. Big push up. There it is. A little bit more. A little bit more. Big push up. Huge push up here. Wait. Oh, I can't make max. I already made max. Pandas, I made max. Pandas, today's max day. I made max. Pandas, my hands are off the keyboard. My hands are raised in the air. We made max today. We're at 1545, Pandas. Let's get it. Flair who? Ric Flair who? Getting that max today, pandas. It's an amazing thing to see. Getting max. 1,500 is the max, if you guys don't know, on the 150K accounts. Your minimum withdrawal balance you need is $5,000. And with the consistency rule, 30% consistency rule, the most you can make per day in order to withdraw at the minimum you need is 1,500. We went over a little bit, but with commissions and stuff, we're actually, slightly under max, but basically, naming my kid Max. Mad Max Whiskey Wednesday. Absolutely. Let's jump to Sim, yeah? Should we just jump to Sim? Might as well. Jump to Sim. Let's have some more fun. Let's 10 contracts at a time. Sound fun to me. Sounds about right. We are jumping to Sim because we made max today, pandas. I'm not touching my accounts now. Max! You gotta love it. 1,500. Bill Sevens, Cabanaba Loco. Naming my kid Max, I appreciate it. Mad Max. Wow, this is going up, huh? This is not done yet at all. But look at the candles, little teeny weeny bitty candles here. Absolutely crazy. I'm just gonna buy everything. 1, 2, 3 pushes up. Okay. Because we have infinite money, we're just gonna scale in. We're just gonna scale in everything. Oh my goodness gracious. We're scaling in. We're just gonna keep buying everything. We're just gonna buy forever. This is the power of infinite money. Power of infinite money, pandas. Can we not even get back here? Can we get back to our level so we can double up here? We're just buying. I don't care. We're just buying anything, everything. You just cannot lose when you have infinite money. I feel like an institution right now. Traps. That's not good. Or is it? Every break of a previous candle's high, we're just buying it. This is what it feels like to have infinite money, pandas. If you want to know how it feels like to trade with infinite money, just go on Sim. feel like I should be in an institution. You're not an institution. You should be in one. I got it. I mean, look at the market. It's starting to get very sideways. Trickling upwards. Getting very weak. It's uptrend now. We don't care. We're buying. Every break of our previous candle's high, we're buying it. Oh, that's not good. That is not good, pandas. I'll tell you that much. But I tell you what, every break of a previous candle's high, we're buying it. Attach it to the indicator so the moment it drops, it'll jump in. The moment this candle's finished, it's going to drop down. Watch. I didn't even touch it. Automatically did with the indicator. That's the beauty of the indicator. I don't have to touch this. It'll continue to just keep it anchored here until it triggers. Just 40 contracts deep. That's it. No big. No big whatsoever. 5-minute chart. I mean, we're definitely going long the moment we break a previous candle's high, right? Anytime we break a previous candle's high on any time frame, we're just going long. Doesn't make any sense, but we're doing it. This is a very bad sign. I'm a little bit worried here. I'm worried, but I mean, when you have infinite money, what is there to truly worry about? Nothing. Pandas, we made max today, so we're just chilling. All my orders will automatically adjust because of the indicator. I feel like Ninja Trader is going to break soon. The thing about Ninja Trader, one thing I don't like about Ninja Trader, it's like one of the heaviest applications I've like ever used. Very heavy application. I don't really need a runner. I'm not running anything. It's just I'm aiming to make like 100K. That's basically it today. Let's try to make 100K today. Oh, if you want. If you want, be my guest. High or low here. I mean, it's obviously trading range. Honestly, I wouldn't be trading in this situation if it were just, after this trade, I'll just do regular trading. Not with my accounts, of course, but I stick to the plan. But man, this is very dangerous trading because of obviously the overlapping bars, making this very tricky. So many orders, you can't really see here. I'll push it over here so you can see a little bit clearer. A little more clearly over here. So many orders up, you just can't even see what's going on. This must be how institutions feel. Just infinite money glitch. There we go. Now we're getting some movement. Or not. Or yes. What in the world? What's going on? Trading range, but could be double top here. Huh. Oh, this could be a big one. This could be a big one. I mean, you can either have a system or you can have infinite money. Both ways to make money. Oh, that's very bad. This is not good news, pandas. I'll tell you that much. The trap fails. Going sideways. Honestly, I'll just probably be buying down here. Okay. Trap fails, but that failed trap also fails. Well, not yet. We'll see. Okay, that's not good. Whenever the market goes the opposite way of your trade, it's usually not a good thing. We're up 90 contracts in here, pandas. Just a quick, easy 90 contracts. Let's make it a even 100 contracts here. Just finish it off, top it off here.
This is for the homies who are broke but promise their part.
Infinite money glitch here. Oh, I didn't buy this. Hmm. Is infinite money the key of winning in the market? Or is it not? Today we'll find out. We're down $50,000 on this trade. This could be a big drop. This could be a very big drop, but guess what, pandas? We don't care. Because when you have infinite money, it does not matter how much the market goes against you. You simply just put more money into your trade. It's just that easy. Like I said, pandas, it's just that easy. Look, all you have to do is have infinite money, and trading becomes the easiest thing you've done your entire life. This is real. This is 100% real. We're trading 100 contracts right now. Patrick Wyland style. This is what I should have done in the very beginning. I should have took a playbook out of Patrick Wyland's playbook and just banked on affiliate money. That's it. That's all I needed to do. Who cares about real trading? I just need affiliate money. That's actually the only thing that matters. I should have done a Patrick Wyland. But sorry, here I am actually trying to learn how to trade. Sorry about that, pandas. Du har broads in Atlanta. Tussen Dublin and Fanta. Credit cards and the scammers. Panda. Panda. Panda, 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 panda. Brrrr. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and the Fanta. Credit cards and the scammers. Pandas, this is not looking good for us. We need another injection of money. We need another injection. A 100 contracts. We're going to bump this up to 200 here very soon. I'm trying to show you what not to do, pandas. When the market starts to sink down like this, don't keep trying to counter trend trade it. This is the absolute best way to bust your accounts. Like I mentioned, pandas, this is why I was like hesitant to go long when I did over here, because of how choppy it was getting. It was getting so choppy. Candles were getting so small. I felt like we were losing momentum. I felt like scared to go long. This is the main reason why. Because it's starting to look like a trading range. Just kidding. It was the plan all along. Oh, you know, if we make a fail second entry short here. All right, I'm in. Huh! Took so long for that order to come out. 200 contracts, pandas. That's it. Easy. 200 contracts. Here we go. We're gonna make 100K today, pandas. We're making $100,000. Either make 100,000 or we go home with nothing. What's 100,000? How many points do I need for 100,000? I need about 500. Because we have 200 contracts. Pandas, can we make it? If we can get to this level, pandas, we can make 100K today. Come on, we got this. We got this. Easy peasy. I'm not even worried. I'm not even worried about the pullback. I'm not even worried about the pullback, pandas. I'm not worried. Does that scare you? If that scares you, trading is just not for you. That doesn't scare me at all. In fact, that makes me happy. Because you know what? That means more bulls can load up here. That's all that means. Oh gosh. Oh goodness. I mean, how many bulls are we trying to get in here? What is going on? What is actually happening? We're trying to make 100K. That's it. All right. In order to make 100K, essentially, we need to make new highs today. What are the chances we're going to make new highs versus coming way down here? What are the chances? Getting to here or here? What's easier, pandas? What's more likely? To get here or down here? I mean, what's more likely, pandas? Come on. Selmo1 says trading is gambling. That all except reality. That's all except reality. Honestly, not too far off. I mean, honestly, everything's a gamble. But trading, I think the difference between gambling and trading is that you have an edge. Whereas gambling at a casino, let's say, like everything's a gamble. But let's just say like at a casino when you gamble, you don't have an edge. You can create an edge for yourself, and the edge could be ever so slight, but still an edge. Right, you can make probability. You can depend on probabilities and your risk rewards. You can become profitable. Ooh, second entry long looks really good here. Actually, like if I were not trading sim, or if I were already 100 contracts in, oh, second entry long looks decent here. Looking for a new high. This might be the push, pandas. This might be the push we need to get to 100K today. This might be the actual push we need. Like, that second entry long is not too shabby, in my opinion. Not too shabby, the second entry long. I think it already makes a scalp for you. Can you get more? Can we get more, pandas? Can we get more? Second entry long still looks good, in my opinion. Even a slight pullback here, I think could still be good. Gotta let it cook a little bit, though. You might have to let it cook. You might have to let it cook. The higher low obviously looks better, even better. Let it cook. Are we going to get that new high today? Or did we make the high of day already? Did we already make the high of day already right here with this double top? We're never going to see this level again. And we're not going to be able to make our goal of $100,000. Panda, why do I gamble better than trading? why do I do better at a casino? Panda, do you know when Apex will allow me to buy evals with your code again? Been months since they blocked me off. Interesting. I have no idea. Ask Apex. Why are you asking me? I don't work for Apex. I'm not back there in Daryl's computer trying to figure things out. Oh, we tried, Pandas. I don't think we're gonna get. I don't think our dream's gonna come true. We'll have to end this trade here. I mean, it is sim. Pandas, we made max today, so we are jumping to sim. We're trying to do some tomfoolery here. I mean, what a good time to do some tomfoolery because, Pandas, the market just absolutely got drained of all volatility. It's doing nothing. Absolutely nothing right now. Back and forth, back and forth. But I guess the question is, are we going to hit this level or this level? There's something in you, right, that tells you, I feel like we're going to hit this level before we hit this level. Like, especially when you're in long like this. There's something in you there that's kind of like, I've seen this before. Even though this is much closer to we are right now, for some reason, because we're in a long, I feel like it's going to hit this level before this level. That's just like, I wonder how many rules I'm breaking with Apex at the moment. If I did this. You know the crazy thing is, Pandas? On stream, we have not lost money. On stream, we haven't lost money in like, what, this is 10 days in a row now? Around. Bill, I need to talk to Daryl. It's crazy. It's kind of funny. I actually have John Skelton's number. Like early on when I was like one of the first people to use Apex and I was like really promoting them, they reached out to me so much and they were like personally texting me. I was like talking with them and I was one of the main reasons why the first time the safety net came out, they got rid of it. And I remember there are a couple other rules because of me. Like I told them like a lot of my members are not liking these new rules, and they changed it like the next day. But now the force is too strong. This little panda can't hold back the greed of Apex anymore. I can't hold them back anymore, pandas. But I tried. I tried to advocate for everyone. But this channel's too small now for them. They're like, we don't care. We've gotten to the point where we're so large that little pandas, little influencers don't matter. It's actually funny. One time I was talking to John Skelton, and in the background he was like, "Yeah, I'm building my new ranch." I was like, literally building his new ranch off Apex money. It's amazing. Actually crazy. I text John memes all day. Maybe send some pics of scrotums. Yeah, I mean, I think he would enjoy that. I think he'd probably give me some free funded accounts. All right, Pandas. I think this is it. Enough tomfoolery. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. We're gonna kill this trade here. All right, just down negative 100K. Our real accounts, we're up 1,500. We hit max today. So Pandas, we're just chilling. Let me change everything before I forget. Tomorrow I might trade a 100 contract trade by accident. But Pandas, hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Yeah, we made max. So, I mean, we get it. I'll see you guys then. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.